Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA MP640 printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA MP640. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be Canon support for PIXMA MP640. Should be a Canon domain here. Go ahead and select that. And now on this page, you should see your printer and you should see manuals and so forth. But we're going to just go down to the software and driver section and expand that. And then there should be an option to change your operating system and version if it's not correctly being displayed in here. You can click the drop down for that. But we're just going to go down to the third section and select the My Printer file in here and then the download button for that. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher and select yes. Select next if you receive a prompt here to set up the Canon My Printer program. And you should be able to select your region as well as country. You have to agree to the license terms and then next. Next again, and give us a moment to install. And then you can create a shortcut on your desktop, select complete, and you should be able to open this up and see different utilities in here as well. So if you need to diagnose and repair your printer, if it's not being connected for some reason, you can select that option. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.